First Friday Art Walk, Wetumpka, Alabama, June 4th, 2021. Home of the Crater. We're at the Sawyer Art Gallery. There you go, and there's Don Sawyer. He's the father of this First Friday art walk in Wetumpka.
Good to see you, Jack.
Good to see you too, bud. Well, this is where it's all done, isn't it, Don?
Yes, it is.
Right there on that easel.
This is where I work.
It's a piece of art in its own, isn't it?
Been around a long, long time.
Yeah.
Thousands of painters been done on that easel.
Yeah, you do a lot of nice work, Don.
Thank you.
See a lot of work all over town. Looking good. First Friday Art Walk, June the 4th. Yeah, tell me a little bit about it. You got to speak up because of all the...
Okay, so I've been painting for about 4 years, oil and acrylic, but now I've moved into oil, and I've been working on figurative work, and that's some of my figurative work over there. So I live in Wetumpka.
Is this your first time here?
First time here.
Yeah, good deal.
Thank you.
What was your name? Linda Lee.
Linda Lee.
Hey, Linda. This is Linda's cow and some of her other artwork. Just in time for Father's Day. Hey, Wanda. Got a lot of nice artwork, Wanda. Hey, we're at Big Fish Art Gallery. Hey, Shelly. How are you doing?
I'm awesome. There's art. I'm happy.
There you go.
I've been here for 2 weeks.
It is such a great night at Wetumpka, Alabama. The opportunity to elevate this town through the arts is awesome. The streets are full, the artists are out. This is like a dream come true. After HGTV, could it get any better?
Hey, Nancy, how's it going?
It's going good. Enjoying it.
Beautiful Wetumpka.
It is.
Turned out to be a great day. Not too hot.
It's really
Yeah.
helped us today.
Yeah, absolutely.
The hay bales and these two. Yeah. You must have sold a lot of stuff. You got like a totally different. You didn't bring a lot of the stuff you usually bring. Well, that I don't know. Some of them, I think it's more of a spirit.
Okay.
This is my weathered, repurposed art. I repurpose old weathered wood and tin, and really save a lot of junk from going into the landfill.
Yep. Some good looking art there.
Thank you.
First
One
Friday
man's
art.
trash is another man's treasure. Is that
Yep.
what they say?
Yep.
Well, I use my trash.
Amen. All righty. Where can they find you? You got a website or anything?
I do. I've got a Facebook site and a website, www.fivepointscreations.com.
Good deal. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Bubba's Seafood House. Who's at Bubba's Seafood House?
That's the old church before the tornado hit.
There you go.
Big graves, okay? That's Jasmine Hills here.
Gotcha.
And this is a lady in the sunset. You'll never guess who the lady is. Mystery lady. And
I like that one right in the middle right there.
like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Country Roads, taken to the farm down in South Montgomery County.
Wow.
This one right here is another Fairhope sunset. And it's on display right now in an exhibit at the Montgomery Museum of Fine Arts.
Wow.
Montgomery Art Gallery.
You can't go wrong with a Fairhope sunset.
Yeah, yeah. And I
Wow.
took this at Birmingham Botanical Gardens, and of course, you know, this one, Harriet 2 downtown.
There you go.
And this is one of the castles of Fairhope. It's a private residence of Dean Mosher and his wife, Hagan. They live there.
Wow. You got a lot of nice artwork here, Fred. You've done a good job.
Thanks a lot, Jack. Appreciate it.
Hey, Larry. Didn't even see you standing there.
I'm just hanging out, buddy. I run into you every time we're up here.
What do you think of this? This is awesome, isn't it?
Lovely.
Yeah, Wetumpka. Yeah,
Wetumpka's busting.
absolutely. You can't get a parking space.
I know. Walking way down the street.
Yeah. Come early.
My watch rumbles at me when I don't take enough steps. So
There you go.
keep on my watch.
There you go.
Give me a
All
hard
right.
time.
Good deal. Good to see you, Larry.
Good to see you.
Hey, Sarah. Back here with your watercolors.
Watercolors and alcohol ink and
Alcohol ink. Okay.
so yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Lots of color.
I recognize your face. I'm Fred.
Yeah.
Daryl still thinks he's beautiful. He's got a little rust on him. It's not rust, it's hair.
I know.
That's right. That's right. Get some wainscoting. Oh, no, feel free to touch them. You can't hurt them. Well, you could hurt them, but you won't. See?
Spike it to the ground to hurt it.
Yeah.
Preacher Man Art. There's the preacher man over there. Hey, how are you? I see. You have a lot. I've seen all your stuff on Facebook.
Yes, I've been posting a lot.
That's great.
Yeah,
At least people know what you have.
I posted a lot of jewelry on Facebook.
Bella Rosa Cottage Jewelry. Hey Claire, is this your artwork?
Yes, it is.
Wow. Looks good.
Thank you so much.
Is this your first time here?
No, it's my. I think all of them.
Oh, awesome.
I was with my husband last time, so you probably didn't see.
You see, yeah, there you go. Well, looking good in front of the Grumpy Dog.
Thank you. Yeah, we love Grumpy Dog.
Hey Joanne, how you doing? Tell me about your work.
Oh, it's just a little bit of cedar.
Okay.
Owning some friends with a sawmill, and I was standing in a pile one day and saw gators everywhere.
Wow.
And
And so you paint gators.
gators, dogs. Most of them are naturally shaped. Some are cut out, but they're all cedar.
Well, that's interesting.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Wow.
And being from New Orleans, I love gators.
There you go. Naturally, we have gators here, you know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Lake Jordan.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Cam Designs. And are you Cam Designs?
I am.
Wow, you have a lot of nice artwork. Oh, okay.
Continue down to the resident.
There you go.
This is part 2 of Cam Designs.
There you go. You were here on the first one, weren't you?
No, this is our first time.
First time? Okay.
This is our first time.
Oh, this is my favorite right here. Hey, Neil.
These ladies came to Fort Payne.
They did? Oh, awesome.
157 miles.
Wow.
Jack, he's going to drive to Fort Payne to see women like this.
Absolutely. Oh, you drove from Fort Payne? Or they did?
Wait, no, I'm with them, the three of us together.
Oh, okay. Good deal.
Just to come here.
Well, welcome to Wetumpka.
Thank you.
We're having a great time.
Yeah. Good deal. Yeah. Old Neil does good work. You need to get some of his stuff. He does good work.
He does.
All right, Chase.
All right,
Tell
I'm
me about it.
Chase Roberts with Road Trip Picking. I travel around the Southeast and I buy and sell anything I can make a profit on. Mostly gas and oil, advertising, old industrial, old wood, furniture, anything.
Los Cabos.
Yes, sir. It's some Atlanta Olympic stuff, a lot of Olympics, a lot of early Americana.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Come check us out, Longleaf Wood.
Okay, hey, a great night in Wetumpka. A lot of people on the streets tonight. Art walk. This is fantastic. So people come out and enjoy it and have a good time. This is the first Friday, in each month we do this. So art walk. Thank you.